Hi everyone, my name is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to transform this super large pants into a ruched dress. I hope you like it and enjoy watching. First, I remove the ankle band. Also remove the waistband. I also open the side seams and the middle seams to separate the two leg piece. I straighten the bottom part where I remove the ankle band by cutting it. After cutting, just repeat it to the other piece. This top edge is our armpit area or chest part. I mark down 0.5 inch as our seam allowance. From that line, I mark down 3.5 inches, which is from the chest to under bust measurement. From that first line again, I mark down 9.5 inches, which is our waist area. From that first line again, I mark down 22 inches, which is your desired dress length. In that bottom line, I cut the excess fabric with 0.5 inch seam allowance. From the chest area, I marked 22 centimeters, which is the 1/4 of bust measurement plus 1 centimeters. In the next line, I just repeat the same measurements. The next line is our waist area, and I marked down 21 centimeters, which is the 1/4 of waist measurement plus 1 centimeters. As you can see here, I made a fourth line. It's from the armpit or the first line to your hips. From that hip line, I measured 23 centimeters, which is the 1/4 of your hip measurement plus 1 centimeters. Then after that, connect those measurements. Then cut that line. I still added a half centimeter seam allowance for me to be safe because sometimes I made the dresses so fit on me. There is a zipper in that open seam which I remove and will be used later. Then sew it close. After cutting, we are now have two pieces. And then sew the side seams right sides together. I put the zipper at the back top edge of the dress so it is easy to put on. And then, hem the top edge of the dress. Also, hem the bottom part of the dress. As you can see, I already put some strips of fabric in the side seams, so it will serve as our tunnel later. The way I attach the strips is must be under the seams of the top edge, and I pin first the middle part so it will not move during sewing. Fold both sides of the strips before sewing to hide the cutting, and sew along those pins. By the way, I sewed the strips at the wrong side of the dress, and this is the result after sewing the strips. We have now tunnel that will be inserted by our ties later. The next step is making ties. I made a 2 inches wide ties and connect each other. Just make sure that the length is longer than your dress to make a ribbon ties. To make the ties, just follow these steps. After making the long ties, we are now going to insert those ties in the tunnel of the dress, just like this. I use a safety pin to insert the ties in the tunnel of the dress. It's a long process, but patience is the key. The last step is attaching a shoulder strap, and we're done! And this is our final transformations. This is a nice dress and I enjoyed doing it. I hope you like it. And if you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you love it, be sure to sub it. I'll see you next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!